Hi, it's time for Nana again. Next, I will continue to introduce these three kinds of backhoe loaders behind me. For the backhoe loaders, as our friends know, that as long as the machines and the tools are complete, they can carry out almost all tasks of field operation, from site preparation to the project completion, such as digging, shoveling, crushing, lifting, leveling and trenching. Thus, we can often see in municipal construction, irrigation and water conservancy, building operation, and also highway maintenance, posts and telecommunities, and also other construction operations. According to the incomplete statistics, backhoe loaders can be equipped with nearly 100 kinds of machines and tools, as it were that only backhoe loader from XCMG can meet your super value needs under various operation conditions. Right, such a backhoe loader with the functions of excavation and loading is also a key product line in the loading equipment segment of XCMG. Right, from the earliest XC Series articulated backhoe loader to the K Series and now to the latest generation XC8 Series, our products constantly meet the growing needs of users in the iterative upgrade. The new XC8 Series of the backhoe loaders are divided into three kinds of production platform, namely backhoe loader with a big and small wheels, backhoe loader with 4 big wheels, and backhoe loader with 4 small wheels. Right, these are the differences. And the first one is the main platform of XCMG, covering the mainstream markets in North America, Latin America, Europe, and India, which is highly praised by the public for its high cost performance, high reliability, and high comfort. Now let's directly go to our product introduction. Let's go. First, I will introduce XC8-S3580 as an important member of XC8 series of backhoe loaders, as a major model from those with a big and small wheels, which has the characteristic of super high cost performance and had been designed with an integral frame, vertical outriggers and side shifting digging device. It has rated load capability of 2.5 tons at the loading end and a digging depth of over 4.3 meters. It can travel maximum speed over 38 kilometers an hour. Okay, so let's go to the XC8-S3580. Is equipped with an electronically controlled turbocharged engine with a power up to 74 kilowatts and high torque output, which can meet the needs of various severe working conditions. If you have special needs in terms of emissions, we can also provide you with customized services. Please consult our local sales staff for details. Okay, so in order to greatly improve the working efficiency, we have matched it with excellent power transmission combination, which is carrying efficient hydraulic systems, so that the fuel economy has been greatly improved. Right, as shown in the following aspects. In the terms of transition, XC8-S3580 adopts the electronically controlled power shift gearbox with independent intellectual property rights of XCMG, which is stable and reliable and can significantly reduce the labor intensity of the operator. This product is equipped with a special heavy-duty wet brake drive axle, which is also independently developed and produced by XCMG, and can realize micro differential drive for the front and rear wheels and a variety of operating conditions. This design can also reduce the driving resistance and also greatly reduce fuel consumption, considering the variability of the actual working conditions. We provide a free switching function between two-wheel and, of course, four-wheel drive for you to choose according to your needs. Right. Moreover, I want to tell you, it will automatically switch the gearbox to two-wheel drive when traveling at high speed to improve the safety and the fuel economy. In terms of hydraulic system, different from our, traditional hydraulic system, we provide two working modes for XC8-S3580. That is a small flow and also full flow working modes. Starting from the energy conservation and high efficiency, user can select the flow mode by selector switch according to the working environment. So let's look at its working device. We have equipped this model with 8-link structure with better translation performance, which is carefully designed to control, the change of the bucket angle within 1.5 degree during the lifting process. Okay, so with excellent translation, its unloading height, unloading distance, and also digging force have all reached the leading level in this industry. So actually, I mean it, because with outstanding performance in the same type of products, also I would like to emphasize that the main wear parts of the bucket are made of the wear-resistant plates, so the service life of the bucket has been greatly improved. The XC8-S3580 has a digging device with side-shifting straight arm, which is featured as the wide range with a digging rotation range of up to 180 degrees. The hydraulic cylinder at the digging end has ended with a buffer design and enhanced the operating comfort while taking into account accuracy. So it is worth mentioning that all the key structural members are made of the high-strength steel and verified by finite element analysis tools and have undergone millions of fatigue discutive tests to ensure that they meet all kinds of severe working conditions. So I actually want to show you guys an amazing luxury cab of XC8-S3580. Right, as you can see, its exterior design follows the family style of XCMG's complete machine, which is beautiful and decent. Of course, we pay more attention to the operator's feelings. So 15 air conditioning vents are arranged in the cab of this machine, which can serve the operator in the directions without any blind angle. This large LCD can provide better human-computer interaction experience for the driver. In order to adapt to the needs of users with different figures, the steering column of XC8-S3580 is adjustable in 4 directions: up and down, front and back, and together with the mechanical suspension seat, it gives a car-like driving experience. Right, that's amazing. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about the similar to the family car. This is really similar to the family car. So the backhoe loader as a tool must be regularly maintained and repaired in the process of using. In order to ensure a good technical condition guarantee, a safe operation and reduce operating consumption. Okay, so the new generation of backhoe loader from XCMG will reduce a lot of maintenance worries for you. It adopts a large angle integral upgraded and upturned engine cover so that the engine cooling system and the other components can be easily completely exposed to your operation. And that's why actually you can easily check the engine, fill the oil, maintain the filter, and overhaul the electrical appliances. Right. We have also designed accessible lubrication points on the pin shaft to make maintenance easier and faster. XC8 series of the new backhoe loaders all adopt intelligent control design. They are equipped with, you know what, whole vehicle controller communication instrument, right, which can of course monitor, warn, and intelligently around the whole vehicle's coolant temperature, oil pressure, hydraulic oil temperature and other parameters in real time through sensors. When the monitoring data exceeds the set value or a fault occurs, the system will promptly alarm and display the fault code in the right instrument, and you can quickly log the fault information according to the warning message and analyze, repair, and eliminate the fault. Don't worry when the hydraulic system has a fault. The XC8 series of backhoe loaders has reversed and reserved the centralized pressure measuring system you need, which is located under the cab. Through such system, you can easily and quickly check the problem of hydraulic system. As a small multifunction mechanism and machine, XC8-S3580 can be equipped with a variety of attachments such as a hammer, scarifier, bulldozing plate, and plate compactor for building consumption and construction, fork and cargo boom for industrial logistics, auger, tree moving machine, and wood clamping pillars for the agricultural gardeners. Up to 25 types of attachments have been designed by XCMG for the backhoe loaders to meet any construction needs. Next, we'll introduce another family member of backhoe loaders, XC8-S3750. With excellent overall performance, XC8-S0750 is one of the newest mini skid steer backhoe loaders released by XCMG, which is very good at operating in a narrow space. Adopting the way of pivot skid steering, this model can pass through some narrow spaces easily and complete several operations in a limited space. Its loading device also adopts the 8-link structure. The biggest feature of this mechanism is that it can realize the automatic leveling function in the lifting process, so as to prevent materials from scattering and lifting process. Let's see its front loading end, which is equipped with the skid quick change device. It can employ the most skid equipment in the market, thus fully embodying the multifunction. It has better digging performance than the skid steer loader and is smaller and more flexible than other backhoe loaders. The multifunctional auxiliary machine pipeline at XC8-S0750 loading end has a regular flow of 50 liters minute and a large flow of up to 98 liters minute. Therefore, it can meet the operation demands of many machines and realize functions such as forking, digging, sweeping, and crushing, especially for sweeping roads with 240 cm sweeper. It is anonymously praised by users for its higher sweeping efficiency and excellent performance. Let's go on. This is the hood of S0750. The backhoe loader adopts a split-type retroverse hood. The upper hood has a very large opening angle, and the side hood can be dismounted separately. When the hood is opened, the engine and cooling system will be completely exposed before you. Therefore, only you need to stand at the side of the machinery space to touch the most maintenance components. It is very convenient for inspection and maintenance. Below the hood is an engine compartment. The backhoe loader is equipped with a famous international brand electronically controlled turbocharging engine with a power of 36.5 kilowatts. With good dynamic property, large torque reserve a low fuel consumption rate. Moreover, it can meet stricter green and environmental protection requirements for its low noise and low discharge. The engine is the best choice for clients requiring less than 50 horsepower. If you have other special requirements in discharge, you can consult your local sales staff in detail. The drive system of S0750 adopts a chain structure. The general principle of the structure is that the traveling pump transports hydraulic power to the traveling motor. Then the traveling motor drives the minor sprocket to rotate. Then the minor sprocket transfers the power to front and rear large sprockets through the chain, and the large sprockets drive the rim and tire to rotate. And finally, four-wheel drive can be released. The biggest feature of the structure is stable performance. Moreover, it adopts a pilot to control and can be operated comfortably. The working hydraulic system of the backhoe loader is a metering pump open center throttling hydraulic system, which is simple, reliable and cost-effective. The operation control handle adopts an integrated structure with the chairs, which can better save space and improve operation comfort. In order to satisfy operation habits of different areas and clients, the ISO or SAE switching function is optional in the backhoe loader. The cab of the backhoe loader is designed according to the ergonomic principle. All meters are arranged in the place that can be seen easily. The button switches are close enough to touch and the operation convenient and secure. The air conditioning vent is arranged optionally and the operation environment is comfortable. The rear part of the backhoe loader is a digging device which adopts the straight arm box structure. It not only has excellent digging structural strength as a whole, but also has outstanding digging depth and digging radius, wide digging range and large digging force. The maximum digging force is up to 25 kN. Therefore, the working efficiency is high. The digging end is also equipped with multifunctional auxiliary pipelines for the digging as standard configuration. According to client demands, the power side-shifting device, telescopic bucket rod and the buckets of different capacities are optional. Next, we'll introduce a new rotating backhoe loader, XC8-H0740. This product is mainly for light working conditions. It has an overall operating capability of 4.5 tons and rated load capability of 0.8 tons and are small, flexible, multifunctional and convenient for rotation. What is recommended in particular that the XC8-H0740 has realized two-way driving of loading and digging ends in a breakthrough way, and the synchronous rotation function of the digging arm and the cab with rotation angles suppressing 230 degrees. Next, we'll further introduce the product. Let's see the frame of XC8-H0740. The backhoe loader adopts the integral frame. There are upper and lower frames. An upper frame is equipped with a cab and digging device, and the lower frame is equipped with a power system and drive system and loading device, and the upper and lower frames are connected to each other through rotation driving, so as to realize large angle rotation. Okay, so the cab of the product has passed the anti-tumble authentication and is equipped with the rotating chairs and air conditioners. Right, according to the ergonomic design principle, the meters and the button switches are properly arranged and the operation environment is comfortable here. So here, let's see the operation first. First, the product adapts to load-sensitive technology and realize the pilot control, which is simple and efficient. The loading end is equipped with a steering column and shifting handle to achieve comfortable long-distance rotation. So let's turn to the digging end through the chair. Actually guys, we can see that the double handles and the chair are integrated for realizing 180 degrees rotation. Conveniently. This is very convenient. Through the linkage and double handles can easily realize switch over between loading and digging so as to realize multifunction and integrated operation of digging and also loading. So the left handle has an integrated rotation and shifting function which can realize the driving, rotation and shifting of the digging end. So it can realize two-way driving. The remarkably improve the overall flexibility and working efficiency. So let's come out to see the rear part of the product. We are here on the rear part already, so let's check it out. The rear part of the product of our backhoe loader is digging device. which adopts the bent arm structure and guarantees sufficient digging depth of the products. The digging force can reach 25 kilonewton and 230-degree large angle rotation. So synchronous with the cab makes the complete machine has a larger operation scope and higher operation efficiency. The end of the complete machine is equipped with a dozer blades for the convenience of user operation in a different working conditions. And finally, I would like to talk briefly about the development of backhoe loaders with our friends from all around the world. Large tonnage is one of the main developing orientations of the industry. So far, the biggest rated tonnage has reached 3.5 tons. So intelligence is also a highlight of the development of the backhoe loaders. Along with the tides of intelligence, backhoe loaders will be equipped with more intelligent equipment so as to perform more complicated operations in more efficient, convenient and secure way. So, electrification of engineering machinery is also the main orientation of backhoe loaders in the future. You know, though there are still many technological and using limitations in the electrification technology, I believe that in the near future, as the electrification technology grows more and more mature, electrification backhoe loaders will occupy an important position in the future market. In fact, XCMG not only has excellent products, but also has colorful cultural life. Do you still remember the 10th Workers' Art Festival of XCMG mentioned in the previous day? This activity is still in full swing. Apart from the dance Jasmine yesterday, there will be many wonderful contents emerging on this stage. Let's take a rest by watching a wonderful traditional Chinese cultural performances.